Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal addressed the CII annual session, calling AI a force multiplier for the Indian economy. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal walked onto the CII stage this week and said something the room needed to hear. AI is not the enemy. It is actually the engine. And India is not here to survive the AI revolution. It is here to run it. The assembled in India era is over. Designed and engineered in India is the new starting point. The world is watching large language models and seeing a threat. India, Goyal says, should be building the applications on top of them. Not the mere infrastructure, but the product. So let's just think of it as the Y2K moment, except this time around, India does not just fix the problem, India owns the solution. The target, global capital of applied AI. But Goyal is not ignoring the limits. AI can optimize a factory, it can redesign a supply chain, but it cannot serve you a cup of warm coffee at the Taj the way a person does. It cannot feel what a musician feels when a rag lands right. That gap between efficiency and empathy is where India finds its breath. High tech on one side, human touch on the other. Now, of course, for the money conversation, Goyal reminded the captains of industry that this is not a new obsession. India has been placing bets on electronics, space, and renewables for a while now. Those foundations are now ready to carry serious weight. The ask to the private sector was stop playing it safe. The new free trade agreements with the US and the EU have opened trillion-dollar markets. Those markets are not going to wait forever. Indian innovation needs to walk through the door, or, well, someone else will. We are not joining the race, Goyal said. We are defining the track. Goyal, of course, kept it tight. He gave it up in 4 points. The first one, move up the value chain. Low-level assembly is somebody else's job now. Number 2, he said zero defect, zero effect. Quality that is non-negotiable and sustainability that is built in. Number 3, make India the R&D address for the planet. And finally, number 4, lead in quantum and machine learning. Not participate, but lead. $2 trillion in exports by 2030, which is a steep climb for sure. But Goyal's argument is that the hurdle is not the technology. The challenge is to overcome the mindset. Global supply chain fragmentation and the trust deficit between major powers have created an opening India cannot afford to miss. The world right now is running a trust deficit. Supply chains are fracturing, as we know. Alliances are shifting. Nobody really knows who to rely on. And into that very vacuum, India is making a deliberate bid as a pillar of trust, reliable, scalable, democratic, innovative. And we feel with this, here comes the front page take. The endeavor is a play at positioning a strong, reliable India in a world that is reorganizing itself in real time. The message to the room and to anyone watching was, do not fear the machine, own it. The roadmap of 2047 is a document which is live. Now, of course, the more significant point is, who feels motivated enough to build it? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.